Hey guys, Cody Hickman here, your chef from 360 Catering and Events. Thanks for joining us on our YouTube channel. Today we're going to do croissant breakfast sandwiches. Things that basically take you about 10 minutes to make. So I've got a little cheddar cheese here. I've got egg yolk and whites, so just a whole egg. I've made some bacon and had some crumbled bacon, so I've got little bacon bits. They've already been cooked. Then I've got some jalapeno peppers, de-seeded. Little tip for you when you're de-seeding your jalapeno peppers, always wear gloves. That way you can discard them as soon as you're done with it, and you don't get the pepper spray injection in your eyes when you wipe your forehead or wipe your eyes for any reason. So we're just gonna whip this in. And we're gonna use our waffle maker. So let's show you our waffle maker. We're gonna spray it with our vegetable oil. And we have a double-sided one, so we're going to take advantage of that today. Flip it over and spray the other side. I'll put croissants on one side. Shut that. Close it. Flip it back over. And now I'm going to put my egg mixture right in there. And that's going to naturally go ahead and press down when we close it. Close it up. I'm going to flip it again just because I want my croissants on that side. And then we'll be back in just a few minutes to show you the finished product. Hey, Chef Cody Hickman back with you at 360 Catering YouTube channel again. What we've done here today is our croissant breakfast sandwich in the waffle maker. So that's a lot of fun for your kids because they get to see a waffle style egg. Again, we have cheese, jalapenos, bacon in there. You don't have to have the jalapenos if you want the spice. I like to do it. So I also added some fresh tomatoes, make it a little healthier if you want. But man, this is going to be delicious. I can't wait to sink my teeth into this. Again, you can always get our recipes on 360cateringevents.com or our YouTube channel. And until, let's have fun in life and enjoy it. Oh man.